Have you considered LASIK surgery but not sure if it's the right fit for you? Here to talk about some of the possible concerns is Dr. 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗾𝗂𝗏𝗏 with LasikPlus.
Well, hey, Abby, thank you for coming to our home today.
Yes, thank you for having us here. So let's start with talking about the mission of LasikPlus.
Well, it's really simple. We're trying to provide freedom from the hassles and constraints of contact lenses and glasses.
Yes.
It's a burden for a lot of different people for a lot of different reasons. We're here just to unshackle those things and just to get the more freedom from it.
So what does the procedure look like? Let's talk about that.
Well, it's pretty straightforward. So we use a couple different lasers to help reshape the front surface of your eye. There's a lot of misconceptions about how this works. So if you think about my hand as the front surface of your eye, we use one laser that literally creates bubbles to help separate this outer surface. Then we use another laser to help reshape the surface of the eye. And then we just put the flap right back down. And literally within seconds when you're getting off the laser bed, you're seeing.
Wow.
And we just need a little bit of time for healing. But after that, you're kind of free from those burdensome bothers of the contacts and everything.
Wow, and it lasts forever?
It does last forever. So we've been doing this for over 25 years now. Now, there are going to be some small physiological changes that occurs, but the great thing about our company is that we know that can occur. So we offer a lifetime assurance plan. So if you ever decide to have treatment with us and 5, 6, 7 years down the road, if you do have some small changes just due to normal bodily functions, we can actually get you back in, reassess things, and help revise and how to optimize your vision to where it needs to be.
Wow. So when you do the procedure, about how long does it normally take from start to finish?
So from start to finish, there's obviously a lot of paperwork, right? You've got things you have to fill out, but the actual treatment time itself is usually within minutes to sometimes seconds.
Wow, that is incredible to give somebody their eyesight without having to worry about glasses and contacts and all of the things.
It's crazy, and everybody is so afraid of this procedure, but we have this modern technology we have now. The laser's tracking the movements of your eyes at 1,000 times a second. Wow. You can't mess this up. So as long as you're a great candidate for the procedure, we're able to safely help manage and take care of this.
And who would be a good candidate?
It's a great question, and it's probably my biggest question I get. So at LasikPlus, we offer a free consultation so that you can at least come in, learn a little bit more about us, and find if this is going to be a good idea for you to do. So about 93% or so of the patients that come in can actually have the procedure, but there's going to be a small percentage that can't, and we talk to you about that.
Yeah, and who is that percentage that can't? Is it different stigmas that they may have, or does it just vary person to person?
It kind of varies person to person. There's some systemic diseases that people may have that affect the front surface of the eye that is just not a good idea for us to reshape it.
But that's awesome that they can at least still come in and see if they are a good fit.
Absolutely. It's a free consultation.
Yeah. And you guys have done, I know Dr. Marino has done a ton of these
It's amazing.
procedures.
So I've worked with Dr. Marino now for over 20 years. It's amazing that much time has gone by. We just love what we do, right?
Yes.
He's almost at 150,000 procedures. I mean, that can fill the Cincinnati Bengals stadium.
Twice.
I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy the amount of procedures that we performed.
Yeah, that is awesome. So if you're looking to do this, he's the guy to perform on any of the different doctors.
Absolutely. He's a wonderful person. He's a huge Bengals fan, and he loves helping people. He loves bridging the gap between the art and science of what we do and hopefully finding the goals that they'd like to achieve without their glasses.
And I'm sure he has a lot of happy patients that are now able to see.
Oh my gosh, you should see our Google reviews. It's off the roof.
I can only imagine, because when you have to wear glasses or contacts every day, to then wake up and not have to worry about that, it's got to be very fulfilling for that, for the doctor, but also for the patient.
Oh my gosh, and one of the biggest, think about if you're just a new mom, right? And your baby's crying and it's the middle of the night and you're trying to find those glasses or whatever. This is a life-changing experience. It provides so much more freedom. So it's just amazing the technologies that we have now.